Hi everybody, it's Christina from Christina's Crafts, and I'm going to show you how I refurbished this cute decor piece that I got from St. Vinny's. All right, so this is the piece that I got from St. Vinny's. Now, it was only, I think it was like $1.50 or something like that, but I definitely thought it had potential. But I definitely see there is a lot of holes and stuff in this wood. So, and it looks like somebody tried to use wood filler in here to fix it. So I actually got some wood filler and I got it from Menards using a rebate. And I'm gonna try to fill in these holes here. All right, so I'm pulling this out. This looks so bad. These flowers are so old. And this little ducky ribbon, oh my God. I don't even know what year this is from. But these flowers just look terrible. I see that there's foam in here and that is totally glued down. So I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna get that out, or maybe I might have to reuse it. I'm not sure. But I just think this piece has so much potential. It's just gonna take a little bit, I think, to refurbish it. But this is what I'm working with right here. And yeah, this foam is in here. I don't know, maybe I'll try to, you know what might actually work would be a spatula. But I have my little Cricut spatula here. Maybe I can try to pry it off. Oh, this is so old. I don't even want to know what kind of ickiness is in here. Yeah, I think this is going to take a little work. Maybe. Oh, wait. Ugh. All right, well, I got the majority of it out. Good thing is most of this is not even going to be seen, so I'm not even going to be painting the inside of this. But I think this is going to look so cute. I can't wait to get it done and see how it turns out. All right, so I'm trying to fill in all these holes, and there is some really big gouges in here. I don't know what the heck people did with this thing beforehand, but I'm just gonna have to let it dry, I think, and I'm just gonna have to keep filling in the holes till I can get them flush. But I'm feeling very optimistic about this project. All right, I have all the wood glue in, and I went outside and I sanded it all down. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to paint it this elephant chalk color. It's Waverly paint that I got from Walmart. So I'm going to do the whole thing in this color. All right, so I am just about done painting this. I think I might put a coat on the back. I don't know. I'm not really going to see it. Maybe just on the bottom. I'm not sure yet. But I got most of this all painted here. Looks like the old lettering is kind of showing through a little bit, so I'm probably gonna have to put another coat on there. I probably should have sanded it down a little bit, but so far I think it's looking pretty good. There's a lot of holes that I missed, but hopefully the really big ones will just get covered up. So we'll just keep painting it and see how it looks. All right, so I have it all painted. I did paint the backside, even though there's multiple gouges in here that I did not fix, but you're not gonna see that anyways. But the next thing that I'm gonna do, and you're probably gonna think I'm crazy, but I really like the way that this white Waverly chalk paint, I really like the way that it looks if you just put a little bit on there. It's just kind of like a cute weathered look. So I'm just gonna go around this and just kind of wipe the white on here a little bit. I don't know why. I just really like the way that looks. The gray and the white for some reason. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this to the whole front of the piece. All right, I have my box all painted. I really like the way that turned out. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is I cut this with my Cricut, and I'm gonna put that on the front of the box here. So I'm just gonna use my masking tape and get my vinyl on there, and then I'm gonna apply it to the box. Alright, I have my vinyl ready to go on. This is where I really struggle, is trying to get stuff straight. So let me get a better angle here and get up a little bit and see if I can get this in a good spot. I probably should measure it out, but I think I'm just gonna try it and see how it goes. great. And it's on. And it's a little crooked, but I'm just gonna go with it. All right, so I have the welcome sign on, and actually it was really crooked, so I just kind of peeled off the letters and adjusted a little bit. Then I have this piece of foam. I'm actually gonna cut this in half because I don't want that poking up. So I'm thinking this should be just about the right size if I cut it in half to just kind of stick down in here. That should be pretty good. Just stick down in there, and so I can put my flowers in there. So I'm gonna get my glue gun heated up because I'm gonna glue these down in here. All right, so I have this. This is gonna be kind of difficult here. Let's put this way, and I'm gonna hot glue these pieces in here, like so. All right, there we go. All right, so I got that glued in there. And then the next thing is to put my flowers in. And I got these flowers from Dollar Tree. I thought the blue would look really pretty with the gray. And then I also have this greenery that I got from St. Vinny's in this big basket for super cheap. So I'm gonna see if maybe I can stick some of these up in. So actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna snip these flowers off, and I'm gonna kind of try to size them to get them in the box. Okay, so I'm just kind of pushing these up. I'm not sure how much of the greenery on here I'm gonna want, but I'm just kind of guessing and just kind of cutting them. And then I'm just gonna stick them in here, just kind of randomly, and see how it looks. I might have to pull them back out and take some of these leaves off yet, and I'm not quite sure. Okay, so I've just been kind of playing around with it, and I think I decided I did not want this greenery in the back. I think it's just too much. So I've just been trying to arrange these blue flowers in here. Trying to put the ones in the back a little bit higher maybe. I don't know. I'm just kind of trying to arrange it right now. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some Spanish moss in here. So just give me a second to get these flowers arranged nice. Okay, so after a little bit of cutting and trimming, I really think that I have the flowers in a good spot. So the next thing, or I should say the last thing that I'm gonna do, because I don't wanna put too much on this piece. I just want it to be nice and simple. I'm just gonna take some of this Spanish moss, and I'm just gonna shove it around the top of it. So I'm just gonna kind of shove it in here like this. This is a really hard project to get on the camera, but I'm just gonna shove some of this moss around the bottom. So let me finish that up, and I will finish up this video. All right, I have it all done. Well, here it is. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you go shop your local St. Vinny's or Goodwill. Maybe find some stuff that you can fix up and save from the landfill. So take care and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.